Hey guys, my name is Esteron. I'm the social media guy and co-producer for the Arcave. My favorite thing about the Arcave is I get to work with actually two things. I get to work with a really cool crew, and I overall love the aesthetic. I've never done fantasy before. I've never been a part of a fantasy crew or fantasy production. Fantasy gives me this, it's just a cool opportunity. My favorite 80s movie is Blade Runner. 24/7 Blade Runner. My favorite Ninja Turtle is Donatello because he's smart. I feel like he's the underdog of the team. Like, no one really likes him as a favorite. He's cool, he's purple, he's got a staff, he's my favorite. My favorite 80s song of all time. Major Tom, but not by David Bowie, but by Peter Schillings, I think his name is. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I've been Esteron. Check out more information at thearcave.com, and don't forget, check out our Facebook, YouTube, check out some cool things. Take care.